a passenger airliner has skidded off the runway at LaGuardia Airport in New York City amid snowy conditions. Emergency officials were called to the airport at about 11 o'clock local time, 1600 hours GMT, but no injuries have been reported. Local media pictures appear to show the plane, a Delta MD-88, has pushed past the airport fence. Delta Airlines says passengers left the plane via aircraft slides and were being brought to the terminal by bus. Heavy snow has been falling in New York since earlier Thursday morning. The flight had landed at LaGuardia after flying from Atlanta, but then slid off the side of the runway. The airport has been closed, and is expected to reopen at 1900 hours local time, Federal Aviation Administration, FAA, says. Joe Pentangelo, a spokesman with the Port Authority of New York and New Jersey, said the plane was apparently leaking fuel.